migrants from Manipur.
Kibor district juga East Khasi Hills nega singi kilapan bana baki don setang nyopu nyongut ki barang sa Shillong na ki lai spa andri pusan ngut kinong Manipur kibawan Phet Rieh shaka nong ba nakada ko jing yakan at kabas dang hakatega jela ha ubana jemang mentau snam habakran baki lapathai khubor nega singi ke deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kong RM kurba badru uba roni walang magistrate kile thuru ba bo na kitei ki barang sa kidei ki basa bat ki bahie hasam ki paralok badan ru ki balayo jakasa ha ki hostel bat ki wei ki bor district ki airu ka jing ro ki shnong ki bala kershane ki te ki parabreu ki ba mar ki te ki jing ha ki tu ki por badan ka jing kan at ha ki jilla jung ki
migrants from Manipur that are stationed in Shillong. As you all know, there was that incident in Manipur during the month of May, and subsequently the three tribes, that is the Gangte, the Rieh and the Zoo communities of the Kuki tribe, they have come to Shillong to take shelter, and at that point of time they had been accommodated by the church, by their their association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, our police station, and thereafter it arrived in my office. And of course, I have with me my ADM who had conducted the inquiry and have met them personally, and I would request them to kindly say a few words.
Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, myself together with the BDO of Maupat, the DYSP, in charge of the area, conducted 3 meetings. One at Madanrating Police Station in the presence of the Nong, the Senkanthe, the representatives of the Zao, the Vaipei and the Gangte, representing the Kuki tribe, who were present in the meeting that was held at Madanrating Police Station. The representatives of the 3 communities expressed gratitude to the Dorbar Shnong of Madanrating and also to the police based at Madanrating Police Station for having provided protection to the migrants who had arrived in Shillong. The Senganthe of Madanrating had also extended all possible assistance, particularly to women, the old and the infirm. In the meeting, the district administration assured all possible assistance to the migrant communities, and till date we are in constant touch with them, and therefore the numbers, as has been provided by Madam DC, has dwindled. Today the number stands at 77, and this is on the submission that has been made by the representatives of these 3 communities and the 2 church denominations, the CBA, the Chin Baptist Association, and also by the Evangelical Baptist Church Convention. The pastors of these 2 institutions have also submitted reports to us stating that there are no longer any migrants that live in the church institutions, and the 77 that we have right now are put up either in the relatives' place. Some have managed to get accommodation, rented accommodation, wherein the police, through the SP East Khasi Hills District, has facilitated in providing the police report to the Dorbar Shnong so that people who look for rented accommodation are given such accommodations. Then we also have students who have come from Manipur to Shillong. Some are already pursuing their studies in the various institutions of Shillong, and some are seeking admissions into the different institutes in Shillong. The district administration has facilitated in providing them information that is necessary, and has also requested the pastor in charge of CBA, the pastor in charge of EBCC, and the representatives of the 3 communities, if at all should there be any need for admissions, considering that we are already mid-year, we would do the needful from our end. However, they have been able to manage on their own, and none had come so far in as far as seeking admissions into different institutions are concerned. May I also point out that the Dorbar Nong Lapalang, together with us, also conducted a meeting on the 20th of May 2023 at Chin Baptist Association building, wherein we had direct interactions with the migrant families and wherein we had assured them all possible assistance in addition to police protection. We like to place on record our sincere gratitude to the Dorbar Nong Lapalang, which in the initial stage of the migration of these affected families into Shillong, particularly into Lapalang locality, had even provided them dry rations. On having interacted with them, we understood that most of them were looking forward to go back, and we are grateful to the SP of East Khasi Hills in having facilitated to ensure that there is safe passage of the migrants from Manipur who have resided in Shillong and who are willing to move back through a safe passage that was being provided by the SP in consultation with his colleagues in the other parts of Aizawl and also in Churachandpur in Manipur. So as we stand today, we have just 77 of those people who are still staying in Shillong, and most of them, or a great majority of them, are presently residing either in the relatives' apartments, the relatives' homes, their friends, and also their extended families. And a few of them have managed to get hostel accommodation since they are students pursuing their studies in different institutes in Shillong. Latest on the 6th of July, the latest of which we submitted, and for which the DYSP today had personally visited the CBA and also the EBCC church to confirm if there are any migrants living in those places. And the report as we received from the DYSP is nil. So therefore, we have arrived at this figure of 77 as submitted by the representatives of these communities, the details of which are available with us. Where are they staying? The contact numbers are also available with us. And we are in constant touch with them should there be any problem that they face, be it admissions, be it accommodation, or be it any other issues that they face. We have asked them to be in touch with us so that we can facilitate in whatever way is possible to ensure that they have a safe stay in Shillong.